Hi guys, showed you I picked this up in the recycling centre in a bunch of other stuff that I got, all for a total of £1. I've just taken the battery cover off and it's got a rechargeable nickel metal hydride in there, so that's a bit of a pain. I have to charge that up. Looks like it uses an external charger to do it. So I'll have to see what I can rig up to do that. I've rigged up a temporary lead so we can charge it. Nickel metal hydride. I've set it to a maximum of ½ amp. Let's see how it does. While we're waiting for that battery pack to charge up, I'm using an external battery pack linked into the connector. We've got pretty lights, and I've checked a few of my transmitters. I've got some that more or less work. This one seems to work, but I have to actually touch the aerial with it for it to do anything. As soon as I move away at all, it's not picking it up. So it does work with that transmitter. And it also seems to work with this one. Again, I have to touch the aerial. As soon as I move away, it's not doing it. Sounds like there's a broken gear in there as well. Still, I'll wait till the battery's charged up a bit more. We'll put it in there and just see if we can get anything out of it. But I think this is going to be a donor. One that I take the bits out of for other projects. Right, that's the proper battery back in there. Forwards, backwards, but only if I have the aerial right next to the transmitter. Yeah, nothing at that distance. So at the very least I'm going to have to take it apart. It might be something simple like the aerial is disconnected, but I don't think so. It might just simply be that my transmitter isn't quite a perfect match. But I reckon it's a scrapper, one I'm going to take apart from bits. I've tried just extending the aerial. I've actually wrapped lots of wire around there, so that aerial is about 2 feet long now. But it doesn't make much difference. We can be a little bit further away, but not much. Yeah, separate video, we'll take it apart and have a look, see what's inside that's worth saving.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.